RightPlace offers you a very unique way to navigate through your resources. It will help you to understand and also work on your WordPress in a completely new way. So first thing I would like to show you is called WordPress Global Dashboard. If you come to the home page, on your top, click WordPress, then you can see all your WordPress installation here. You can see all the plugins, all the themes and updates available all across your WordPress website, and also information, the system information of WordPress websites. And of course, you can also filter them within different views. Here, I'm just going to say X memory, and I'm going to only keep this one. I'm going to close all these. There's so many of them. I'm going to close so many of them. Almost there. So in this way, if you want to see the max memory of each installation, you can just click through these tabs. So all this information are in table. So you can do the same with your plugins. Just be creative. You can do whatever you want. Another feature I really like is the system tray. So if you look at here, we have system tray in the Mac OS. So I just turn off one of the website. You can see that the new website I just turn off, it shows red. It means the website is down. And also you can see that the website is down. You have this icon here telling you that it is down. Now, this is called project view, where you can navigate through your resources per projects. But what if you want to navigate through your resources per resources? What if I want to just navigate all the posts I have across the websites? So then what you do, you come to the resource view, and then here I'm navigating through all the posts across the websites. So I can just click through them. I can skim through the resources per website. So this way of navigating is really useful because you can access your resources really quickly. But there's a quicker way to find the resources in your project. Of course, everyone knows we have now the search bar, really powerful search bar. Let's say I want to search on post I just wrote a day ago. I think it was about automation. So here, if I type automation, yes. So there we go. We have this post here. I can just click it and come to here. What RightPlace does, we map through all your resources because this is a local database, right? So we can map through all your informations and we can make it completely searchable. Another way is by pressing Command P, and then you can get this quick navigator. And the quick navigator, you can do the exactly same thing. So I'm gonna type debugging. So you can see that you have this thing going on. And also do the same with the plugin. So I can do Robin Path plugin right here. So if I click this and you bring up the model, and then you can do the activation and everything will operate. Another way to search through your project is called a global search. So let's say you're not on the right place, you're browsing or doing something else, and you just want to quickly search through your project. So I'm just going to say Robin Path WP, and then here you can search it and then click it. You are brought it here. I'm just going to deactivate it. So you can activate this using Command Backspace. You can set up your own shortcuts, and you can basically search through anything. You can search through anything like your post that we searched earlier. Let's say, okay, there you go. Let me just quickly make it publish. So this is a post manager feature. I'll cover it in another video. It's going to be a very long video. Another way to navigate your WordPress resource is to use something called the place view. The place view is more like a workspace that you intentionally design for using the panes and tabs. Let me create my first place view. Here I'm going to say compare post. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create two panes here, one on the left, one on the right. Let me turn this off first to give it more room. By the way, you can toggle your left and the right panels by just turn them off. You don't have to have them on. I'm going to bring up two tables side by side from the different WordPress websites. So here I'm going to put the Robin Path on here, and then another one I'm going to go for a RightPlace website with a two posts. So we can see that two posts are side by side. So this way you can work on things. Another cool thing I really like is to create dashboards. So I can just come here and I'll open up some metrics for the dashboards like this. I can have different types of dashboard. Right now it's a demo website, so I don't have all the metrics, but we have all kind of different types of metrics. So you can just come up here and set it up. And view your website's situation in one dashboard. That is very useful. There's so many different ways to use this. Here, I'm just going to pull up the cloud code on the left-hand side, and then also the post on the right-hand side. I can use RightPlace MCP to generate the post. Every single RightPlace applet comes with tools and skills. So for the post applets, we have 11 skills and still counting, about 12 tools. We're adding more and more skills. So that is how you can navigate through the resources and operate them in RightPlace. This works with all different types of applets. So you can combine them and create a different, unique workflow for yourself. And I saw people doing so many crazy things. So there will be more tips and resources coming up. So subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next videos.